Easy DIY installation. Step-by-step guided installation in the Wyze app, less than 30 minutes. Work with 90% home systems, C-wire adapter included for home without C-wire. Check your heating cooling system compatibility on the Wyze website with the WiFi Thermostat compatibility checker. Control from the app. You can control the temperature from your phone no matter where you are, or turn it off when you are away. Keep pets comfortable and prevent frozen plumbing. Share the control with guests and family through the Wyze app. Works with voice assistants. Adjust the thermostat with your voice by asking Alexa or Google Assistant. 7-day scheduling. Create schedules for home, sleep, and away for every day so you don't have to keep going back and forth to your thermostat. Usage tracking with insights. Like an energy-saving gnome inside your phone, the Wyze app will recommend actionable insights based on your usage to help reduce wasted energy. Automatically turns on and off based on the built-in motion sensor and phone location to save energy. Top reviews from the United States. I thought the Nest was easy, this beats it. I have 2 original Nests in my huge American house, and had a dumb thermostat in the master bedroom. The master alone wasn't worth sticking a Nest or Nest Lite solution on it, not to mention Google, equals trust. The inexpensive Wyze presented an opportunity. I don't need it to do auto-scheduling detection, I know when we go to bed on what day. That seems to be beneficial, in that it's not trying to be smarter than what my wife says she wants, it just does what I say at the time I say it. Installation of the Nest was low effort. Installation of the Wyze unit was extra low effort. The app tells you if you have wires with B, Y, B, G, plug them into 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. It's initially not apparent you're going to get this kind of dummy-proof help when you start the process, but I could have saved 10 minutes by following the app instead of being smarter than what the app was telling me to do. This used to go into RX, so that's where it will go now. Etc. Fantastic value.